Today, we will talk about how to start a money lending business. Let's have a look at the details. If you want to start a money lending business, you will need to decide what kinds of loans you want to make: payday, mortgage, or installment loans. You may choose to start a lending business using only your own money or money from a group of investors. Starting a money lending business will require that you develop a business plan and gain the necessary government licenses. The first step is preparing to start the business. Choose a company name. The first step is to choose a company name and then to choose a corporate address. Make sure to get a phone and fax number. Draft your business plan. By writing a business plan, you will force yourself to think about the current likelihood of success as well as future growth opportunities. A comprehensive business plan will help steer you toward your goals. At a minimum, the plan should include the following. Draft your business plan. Executive summary. Company description. Market analysis. Product line. Financial projections. Settle on financing. Another component of a business plan is funding. However, this element is so critical to a money lending business that you should spend extra time considering how you will fund the loans that you extend to borrowers. Draft underwriting criteria. A successful money lending business does not lend to anyone who walks in the door. You need to evaluate each applicant according to a set of criteria. This is called underwriting. You will need to draft your criteria before you begin making loans. Attend seminars. You will need coaching and advice from people who have started successful money lending businesses themselves. Accordingly, you should find seminars and national conferences to attend where you can network and rub shoulders with experts in the business. Meet with a lawyer. A lawyer will be an invaluable asset, so you should certainly hire one. He or she will research and answer any questions you have. Buy your domain name. The amount of marketing you want to engage in will be determined by the scope of your market. However, a website is a must nowadays for any business, regardless of the business's size. The second step is registering your business. Incorporate. The first order of business is to incorporate. There are many corporate forms: corporations, sole proprietorships, limited liability companies, etc. You should talk over each form with your attorney, who can advise you as to which corporate form is most appropriate for your money lending business. Apply for necessary licenses. You will also need permission from your state in order to legally start a money lending business. You will get that permission by obtaining a license for money lending. Register your business name. If you choose as a business name anything other than your own personal name, you will need to register it with the necessary authorities. Register with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. If your money lending business has investors, then you may need to file with the appropriate Securities Commission. If you make a public offering of the securities, then your lawyer will have to register you with the SEC. Get a business tax identification number. Unless your money lending business is a sole proprietorship, you will need a tax identification number, also called an EIN. No debt collection laws. Lending businesses most often get into trouble when they are trying to collect money from their customers. Before going into the lending business, be sure you understand what you can and cannot do to collect money owed to you. Hire a compliance professional. You will want to retain someone who can review your practices and make sure that you are in compliance with local, state, and federal laws. Now, step 3 is launching your business. Rent office space. Unless you are an entirely online business, you will need an office. Open a bank account. You will need to open a bank account for your money lending business. You will deposit funds into the account and then draw the funds out when you make a loan. Create contracts. Before extending a loan, you should have the borrower sign a loan agreement. You can have your attorney draft loan agreement contracts, or you can look for samples on the internet. Advertise. In addition to your website, you will need to advertise so that the public can find you. The extent of your advertising will depend on your budget and your immediate business goals. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.